Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share a beautiful experience with you that I had about 3 weeks ago when I visited farmland. We are actually driving to the Cheltenham area, which is located in Caledon, Ontario. During the season of summer, autumn and fall, you can observe a lot of things in these areas. If you are a nature lover, you can enjoy watching these horses, sheep, animals, birds and farmlands with their stalls that they sell farm products. We have a habit to visit these farmlands during these seasons every year because I believe it is so mind relaxing and mind soothing. As soon as we saw this pumpkin, we stopped at the farm. I was thinking about to buy pumpkin for the Halloween and the Thanksgiving coming up. But their quality was not good and I didn't buy it. So we decided to go to another stall. After we left the pumpkin farm, this was the second place that we visited. What a fun and unexpected day it turned out to be. We stopped by a local brewing place which we never visited before. This Badlands Brewing Company is well known among Canadians. They are officially brewing using different kinds of fresh fruits. People come to the place to enjoy their time when they are open to the public, especially during the summer and fall. The place was alive with energy. People, kids, youngsters, adults, they were enjoying the atmosphere. One of the special moments was the meeting of this talented folk music artist who was performing live. Her singing brought such warmth and joy to everyone around. It felt like the whole place was wrapped in good vibes and music.
Apple Music, YouTube, yeah, anywhere. Thank you so much for listening. I'm going to play Chris Stapleton's song here. This is one of my favorites of his called Starting Over. It's my formal audition to perform this at anyone's wedding, anyone's friend's wedding. If you're looking for somebody, I just love singing this song and I love singing love songs. So anyway, this is still the one.
Honestly, her music and singing were amazing. Unfortunately, I can't share her singing because of the copyright issues. But in case of if you are interested her music or singing, you can contact her. I'm going to put her details in my description box. By the time we got so hungry and we decided to buy some food. At the end, I had a little time to chat with Leah Holtom. She was more than happy to give her information about her business as well. If someone is interested about her music, you can invite her for parties, weddings or any occasions. I'm going to put her contact details in the description box.
Yeah, please do. Yeah.
Your voice is good.
Thank you. I'm so glad we stumbled upon each other.
Yeah,
My name is Leah Holtom, and I'm a folk singer-songwriter from Brampton, actually, but I live in Toronto now, where I make music full time. I've studied a variety of different genres over my life, and now have really focused in on making folk music. And I have had the pleasure of writing and recording my own music and playing shows around.
So what is your YouTube channel? Do you have it?
Yeah, I do. It's just under my name, Leah Holtom. All of my stuff is on my website. So leahholtom.com. There's a contact button there, and it'll take you to my email and a few other places.
Okay.